Hello, this is a new episode of me cutting trees for my MaintaINC Services. I provide services such as tree cutting, so I'm going to do another session here. I like to cut trees, man. This video is dedicated to George Thomas from California. I'm dedicating this video to George Thomas from California. See all those trees over there that I cut. It's amazing of the work that I can do at home. Alright. Japanese plum wine. Cheers. Be careful, it's alcohol. Now you're going to cut some more trees for MaintaINC. I think my days of wearing red thongs and blonde wigs are over. Let's get this to work. Alright, let's be serious here. Just kidding. It seems like I'm just going to have a little fun one more time on camera. I want to see if we can get any. Alright, let's watch the cut. I cut a lot of trees here. You can see I probably scooted them up a good 24 inches. But just look at the beauty of the work that I've done. It's precision. Precision, man. That ain't good. I just cut my finger. Tastes like ketchup. Special effects. See, I'm very careful here. Alright, that concludes it. Let's break. See you next time.